Okay, guys. So I'm Valentine, and today we're gonna start with our daily market review and daily BS prediction. And we'll start from Dixie. Dixie from weekly time frame to see what we have for now. Okay, okay. So, yep. No. Okay. So as we can see, the liquidity from weekly time frame was grabbed, and uh, we have a lot of liquidity up there, like this, here, and there. So probably we're gonna move higher, because yeah, we have this big pin bar. Yeah, we can't say that's like rejection block, but still. Then uh, we do the daily time frame, and daily we got the daily fair value gap here. We can also do it like BPR, because that's the one we have here. So that's the strong rejection here. So probably we're gonna see the good reaction and the uptrend today. Now, yeah. So yeah, the closest target is the 4 H4 fair value gap. Now do it like here. Now we can remove this, as we also have these lines. So then. So yeah, so we expect the euro and the pound gonna go down as the Dixie have the first target, that this one for H fair value gap. Okay, okay, then start with euro first. Okay, I'm gonna remove all the drawings. Yep, and then start from daily time frame. As we see, we have here also strong BPR, which is have good reaction here. As we can see, we did the fulfill of the fair value gap and left the shade of the candle. So now we go. Oh, yeah, and as you can see, guys, we have a lot of liquidity here, then here, and here. So some kind of compression also, the fair value gap that we didn't even test the 0.5 threshold. So yeah, I expect this week the short or the flow and the working short position. Okay, what we have here. So, oh, then the weekly, monthly, and daily open is so close in here. Then we do have here the fair value gap. Yep. And then yeah, so that will be the first target for us for today. So So we can see we're now in this BPR, so we move lower on 1, 1, 1, 1. Then what we can see in here, so we have a reaction on the H1, very good. The same as here, also the H1 BPR, so probably we're gonna look for some short trend positions, only only short, only short. Okay, okay, yeah, so and the first target will be here. So yeah, we have here the equal lows, right here, yeah, as you can see. So I expect today probably that we reach these these nuts. Shaboom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. H1, so yeah, we get nothing in here for now. And okay, we do 15 minutes. What we can see, we can see a lot of liquidity in here. And I expect the small long move in here to M15 BPR. Yeah, we can mark it from here anyway. So here we have this zone where we can look for some shorts from here. Yeah, that's what I expect for now, because I don't think that we're gonna leave this all like this and just go down without any test. So, okay, now we need to go lower. We need to go lower and check if there is some entry options for us. If we can find some long position. Oh, okay, okay. Yes, small volume imbalance here. Okay, testing again, and yeah, I don't think we're gonna go lower than this. So probably here. Yeah, is there? I don't think there is a sense to go lower than M1. Yeah. Okay. 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 So yeah. Okay. So well. Okay. I think if I do small long for a 0.5% here till the yep, I think so. Okay, so I'm gonna enter a small long from here with the 915, then it's gonna be 65. Yep, 915, 65, then here. Okay, let's do that. Okay. We're gonna, through the MetaTrader 5, we're gonna enter the long here now. Ooh, the breakfast is ready, guys. Okay. Pom, pom, pom. And we do one stop loss, 0.5%. All right. So stop loss. Okay. Okay, then the entry we get 928. And then the stop loss. Okay, guys, and then yeah, then I do for 1% risk, and then the stop, and I'll do 828 in here. And then the take profit gonna be here. So we got 1.67, but that could be the fucking fast stop now. Yeah, anyway, life is life. And then, okay, what next do we have here? GER 40, the German index. So what we have on the daily. Okay, yeah, the same as there. We have strong BPR. Okay, let's remove all the drawings first. Yep, no. Okay, we have here good reaction. So only the shade of the candle, so we can expect the long move. Also on GER 40. Yes, we have a lot of good sweet targets here, huh? Let's mark them like this. And yeah, also the liquidity and the monthly open zone. So I think, yeah, the closest target could be the monthly open. Okay, if we go then lower, we can check if we can find some nice and sweet entries. Yeah, that's 4. And we have a small fair value gap in BPR in here, but we're still in yeah, it's not the best, actually not the best option, because we are now in one imbalance, and only then in 1 hour, if we, yeah, not as sweet as it looks like. But we did a good test here, so maybe we can do and then okay, so we got a small fair value gap here. Oh, oh, oh. We got a good reaction from it. Also the small liquidity sweep. I don't think that we reached, no, we didn't reach this fair value gap, but I think we're gonna leave it just like this. Or that could be also here. No. Okay. Okay. Then yeah, this one looks like a good swing to here. Yes, then we gonna do here. Okay, then so you can see what I see. See? So we got a liquidity sweep on M5, and now we have also M5 imbalance, what I can see here. And if this candle in 20 seconds closes the way I want to, I'm gonna do some short until here probably, because this is gonna be the first target. I don't think this gonna hold the price, so we will just do it from here. So 3 2 1. If we close if this candle closes lower than 0.5, yes, it's on the mean threshold, so that's a good sign for us. Now we do 23 6 7 3 23 6 7. Yeah, we can do two lots from here, and the stop loss. Now we're doing the swing. So let's just do it like this. So here we have a stop loss. And here gonna be our first target, yeah? Okay, 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 good, good. Then we can see here. Yep, not that nice. If it's stop, then it's stop. Life is life, you know. Okay, what do we have here as well? Gold. Gold. No, I'm not really interested in gold right now. We got the all-time high, and probably we're gonna go higher and higher. Okay, four. Yeah, we can see here small like this. Then let's go lower. Yeah, you can't short this such a strong uptrend, probably. Yeah, we have also H1 a good reaction on the fair value gap here. Then we got a liquidity sweep in here, and then also the H1 fair value gap. No test of this one. Okay, so that could be also the first target if we find some short stuff. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? We have liquidity sweep here. Yep, but that's not enough. That's not enough for me. Bum, 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 bum. Now we go at M5. Mm -mm, mm -mm, mm -mm. No, we have a good work with liquidity in here. So yeah. Mm -mm, mm -mm. No option. No option. Okay, so the two pairs that we have for now, that's euro. Uh, Euro, and then we do here GER 40. Okay, so we tested this fair value gap, and then we have this 5 minutes candle closes at the main threshold. So yeah, it could be not the end of this. Could be, but you never know. You never know. Okay, and then this guy. I hope it's going to do what I thought. And then yeah, and this. Okay, so for now that's it. I'll keep you updated for the next time. So, salami.